Hi, this is Holly, and welcome to your writing group. Today is the first day, and one of the most important things we can talk about is the space that you make for yourself to write. It can't be underrated. You can't let other people sort of infiltrate. So I highly recommend carving out a space for yourself, hopefully at home. Granted, some of you may not be able to. For the first, 5 years that I wrote, I went to a cafe and I just put on my headphones and zoned into what I was doing. But if you can find a place at home, that's ideal because then you can write no matter what time of the day it is. So your space is very personal. It's important to have a nice chair. I love my chair. A coffee is key for me. You may need tea or hot cocoa or just water. I don't know. A notebook just to write down things if you feel like being analog and using an actual pen, aside from your laptop or computer. I also do something wacky and light a candle. I don't know why, but there's something about the scent for me. It helps me relax and focuses me. Another thing a lot of people like is writing to music. I, for some reason, like cello music. I don't know why, but whatever, it works for me. You may like classical, you may like pop songs, or rap. Who knows? Whatever works for you, find it. Find it, hone in on it, harness it for your writing. So that's it. Today, your assignment is to make a space for your writing.